guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I'm going to be going over what I received in my August Boxy Charm. Now the first item we're going to be trying is this right here. This is the Pur Cosmetics Barbie Glittery Brightening Peel Off Mask. Now this is a celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. This mask is packed with licorice extract, skin nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy looking glow that lasts. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I did apply a lot, but I still have a lot left, which is pretty good. Now it did say to apply like a thick layer, so I tried my best. I mean, I've never ever tried like a pink mask before, well, especially a peel off one. But it is very pink, a very Barbie pink, a very glittery. So it says to wait 10 minutes and then we're going to peel this baby off. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. So it's time to peel this off. And I'm going to start from here. So first of all, I want to say I'm sorry if you guys can hear noise in the background. My house is under construction, but I'm not going to let that stop me from filming. Oh my god, this is actually, I don't want to jinx myself. I was going to say it's kind of easy. I usually don't like peel off masks because they're so hard for me to actually peel off. Like, yeah. But this one seems to be working. As you guys can see, it was pretty kind of easy, you can say, to remove it. I do have a couple spots here and there, so I'm just going to go over it with the towel here. It says to go over it with warm water, but, you know, I'm a little lazy to get up here and go to the restroom. So when I did my eyes off of camera, there will be another video on that. But let's move on with the Boxy Charm items. So now we have this Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Now this scares me a little bit because like I have oily skin, so I don't really tend to use any primers that have like silicone or that are oil based because that just scares me. You know, if you're oily, you understand my situation. But this claims that it's a multitasking beauty elixir, instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, the lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier by providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. First of all, this looks really pretty when it comes out. It's like pinky, has a little bit of like shimmer on there. The camera doesn't, you see, the camera doesn't want to focus today. But the smell, it smells really good and it actually goes on very nicely. Like it doesn't feel oily. It doesn't feel like really tacky or like too sticky. Like it feels like a regular kind of primer. So, and I mean, I have a glow on my skin, but I'm not like oily or like too shiny, and so far I'm like, all right, I got you, Wonder Beauty, I got you. I honestly can't remember if I said any prices. So the peel off mask is $26 and this baby here is $42. I'm feeling like glowy today. I usually don't go for glowiness because I have oily skin. I try to mattify everything, but you know, the mask says it's gonna give me a glow. This primer says it's going to give me a glow. So I decided to go with the Laura Geller Filter First Luminous Foundation. Now I usually don't go for foundations like this because like I said, I'm oily. But this was actually a pretty good one. So I'm using this brush here. This is the Luxie 680 Pro Precision Phase Foundation brush. I'm just going to put this all over my face. I'm done putting on the foundation and honestly it blended out very nicely. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of like glow going on right now. And I'm very surprised that when I was applying the foundation, like I don't really have any areas where I feel like it's cakey or where I feel like the makeup drag. Because sometimes oil primers for me, because I can't remember which one I tried. I tried one before and it like lifted on the skin, like it wasn't staying in place. But this one actually worked out pretty good. So that's very interesting, but let me go ahead and finish doing some of other things that I do to my face before we move on to the next product. So as you guys can see, I'm looking real bronzy, real glowy right now. I usually don't like this, but I'm digging this right now. But let's move on to the next product. So here I have the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. Now this baby here retails for $39. So from what I've heard is that it's supposed to be like watery and silky. And that's going to be very interesting. So this is a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So this is cute. It says, keep me close to keep me cool. So make sure that you have to close this powder up. So I'm just opening all the little things here. And whoa. So as soon as I opened it, there's already powder coming out. And it has a bunch of little holes. Like, I don't know if you guys can maybe see. But this didn't have like a color selection. So I'm assuming that maybe there's just one shade on this. Don't quote me. I didn't do my research really. But I'm just blending out my creases before applying this. So I'm just going to tap this in here. And I'm kind of digging the glow, so I think I'm only going to set really underneath my... Whoa! Sorry, but it literally feels like I'm putting water on my face right now. I am just applying this. This is so trippy. It literally feels like I'm putting water on my face. It's so weird. Should I set like anywhere else? Like maybe my forehead just a little bit in this area? Because I feel like it's being a little too bright. I'm kind of liking the highlight a little bit here. But I'm just going to tap just a little bit. Right there. And here. The whole face? I'm kidding. But okay. You guys really need to try like this powder. I'll definitely say go to, I think they maybe sell at Sephora. Or maybe even Ulta, and I hope they have a tester on and just try it. Like, just touch it and try it on your skin, and it just feels so weird. In a good way, but because I'm just not used to it. I'm used to powder just being, like, dry, you know? But applying this literally felt like I was applying, like, water on my face. It's trippy. Next item here that we're going to be trying out is this. This is the Tarte Big Eagle Mascara. It's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. This retails for $23. Now, I'm very picky when it comes to mascara. I usually don't spend, you know, that much money on mascara because it's just a mascara and then I put on lashes. But there is a difference in each mascara, especially because I love to put some on my lower lashes. So I need one that's going to actually do things because some of them don't. And it's my lower lashes. Like, I need that to be popping. But this mascara, so far, I can tell you that I do love the wand from it. Like, it looks really fluffy and nice. And I love that. I hate when it's, like, stiff. And it's small. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? It doesn't work for me. So, and I look, my hair is falling. My hair is falling off right now. But it's fine. So, I'm just going to be applying this on my lashes and seeing what it does. And so far, it's actually grabbing. I like the way that it's applying. I like the fact that it's not, like, clumping. Like, it's actually kind of separating them and making them, I can't speak English. They're like separating and they kind of look long. They're looking good. I will say though is that, I mean, it's a big brush, but it so far hasn't, oh, I don't want to jinx myself. It hasn't stained my eyeshadow because I'm trying to get it as close to the root of my lashes as possible. Yeah, so it didn't stain my eyeshadow. Love that. Now, the last item we're going to be trying is this here. This is the Lashaholic Instagram False Lashes. These are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. Give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. Now, these retail for $14.99. Now, I always put on my falsies and then later on go over and put mascara on my lower lashes because if not, they're going to be like trying to glue together right now. So, I'm going to go ahead and put these on. Put these babies on. Last thing before this look is complete is applying some mascara on my lower lashes. I love doing this. Like, I just feel like my makeup is not complete if I don't put mascara on my lower lashes. Honestly, usually with Boxy Charm, there's maybe like 1-2 items, or in general the whole box I'm not excited for, but honestly, this box was so good. Like, I'm having a hard time figuring out like which one was like my favorite item and which was like my least item, because in general I'm really happy with everything. The peel off mask was gentle on my skin. It wasn't really hard for me to peel off versus another one that I've tried before. So Pur Cosmetics, you did good with that. Now this is interesting because normally I wouldn't go for a primer like this, but totally digging this primer. Now again, I love me a good mascara, and this one surprisingly was actually really good. Some of the mascaras that they sent me before, I'm like, okay, but this one was actually pretty good because I like the applicator and all that. It actually gives me vibes. I'm getting my mascara. It's giving me the Maybelline Great Lash vibes, like the packaging, because you know it's like pink, but this one's like way hotter. But if you notice, the applicators are kind of similar. You see, just, you know, almost same vibes. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. And then we also had the Becca powder, which was very interesting again because I've never had a powder that has like that wet feeling. And then again, we got some lashes, and I love me some good lashes, and I feel like these lashes are pretty nice because you can go like a little natural. I wouldn't say that these would help with like a very, very dramatic look. That's why I also did this look, because it's like not too smoky, not too dark, but yet, you know, it's a little glam, and you can still see them popping. So overall, I'm just very, very happy with this Boxy Charm. Like, Boxy Charm, you did a really good job. And I actually was watching other people's videos on this month's Boxy Charm, and I was expecting to get certain things, and I was a little shook when I didn't get the same thing as them. So it is what it is. But yeah, this is my Boxy Charm video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that good stuff. And comment, let me know. Are you guys subscribed to Boxy Charm? Well, subscribe. Do you guys have subscription with Boxy Charm? What was your favorite item of this August Boxy Charm? Comment down below as well. If you guys are interested in this eye look, I will be uploading that very soon, so stay tuned for that, or by now, maybe it's already up. I'll put the link down below or on the iCard around here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Say